Welcome to our factory. Today I will show you our world's most Tyson Chicken Nuggets. Starts with the finest ingredients and our state-of-the-art smart machinery. Into the heart of the automation.
Welcome. Today, we are embarking on a fascinating journey. We are standing at a place where one of the world's most beloved snacks is created every single day, the Tyson Foods factory. Have you ever wondered how those crispy, golden chicken nuggets on your plate are actually made? Today, I will take you behind the scenes of this state-of-the-art facility to show you parts of the process rarely seen by the public. As a worker here, I am proud of the dedication we put into making the safest and most delicious food for you. From unloading the raw materials to the final packaging, every step will be revealed. Stay with us until the very end. Our journey begins with the freshest, high-quality chicken breast. As you can see, massive refrigerated trucks have arrived at our unloading bay. This is where our first step commences. Our dedicated staff, always equipped with pristine white uniforms, blue gloves, and blue hair nets, receive these materials with extreme care. However, the most interesting part is that in this modern factory, advanced robots handle the bulk of the work. As soon as the meat hits the conveyor belts, smart laser sensors scan them for quality. If even a minor imperfection is found, our AI system identifies and removes it instantly. After the quality check, the meat moves into a massive stainless steel washing tunnel. Here, high-pressure water jets are used to clean the meat in stages. No chemicals are used, only pure, high-pressure water to ensure the chicken is germ-free. Look at how thousands of chicken pieces are tossed by the force of the water. This is not just a cleaning process. It is a testament to our hygiene standards. Afterward, vibrating belts shake off any excess water. The entire process is designed to ensure that the freshness and nutritional value of the meat remain perfectly intact. The clean meat now enters our smart grinder. This is no ordinary machine. Its internal titanium blades grind the meat into the exact required consistency. Then comes the most crucial part, the spice blend. To create that signature Tyson flavor, we use a blend of salt, pepper, garlic, and other secret spices. In our massive mixing vortex, the ground meat and spices are blended so thoroughly that every single nugget tastes exactly the same. It is like a mechanical kitchen where precision meets technology. Now, it's time to give the meat mixture the shape of a nugget. Look at our nugget shaper. It produces hundreds of nuggets every second. Then begins our famous coating process, which happens in 3 stages. First, a thin layer of flour called predust is applied. Next, it passes through a batter, a liquid spice waterfall that keeps the nugget juicy. Finally, comes the breadcrumb coating. These crumbs give the nugget its special crunch after frying. Sensors monitor the line every millisecond to ensure every nugget is perfectly coated. After coating, the nuggets pass quickly through hot oil, a step we call pre-frying. This is mainly to set the coating. They then travel through a 50-foot-long industrial oven. The intense orange light and heat inside cook the nuggets thoroughly, turning them a beautiful golden brown. Immediately after exiting, thermal cameras scan the internal temperature of every nugget. Then, they enter our blue-lit spiral freezer. At minus 40 degrees Celsius, the nuggets are frozen solid within minutes. This flash freezing technology is what locks in the moisture and flavor. It's finally time for packaging. Multi-head weighing machines measure the exact weight for every bag. The bags are then automatically sealed, and nitrogen is injected to keep the contents fresh. Our robotic arms place these bags into boxes to create pallets. Finally, autonomous, driverless forklifts load these pallets into trucks. Our fleet is now heading to every corner of the country to reach a store near you. From the farm to your dining table, Tyson Foods ensures safety and flavor at every step. When we see a family enjoying our nuggets with a smile and saying it's the best they've ever had, our hard work feels truly rewarded. This blend of perfect technology and care is what makes Tyson Chicken Nuggets special. Thank you for joining us today. The next time you enjoy a nugget, we hope you remember this incredible journey. Stay healthy and take care.
It's a big